You can start instantly, and this brand new app will help you make money in less than 40 seconds. You can do it again and again. And all you need for this is an internet connection, a laptop, computer, or any smartphone device. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to film any videos. You don't have to complete boring surveys, and you will not be doing affiliate marketing. You just need to sign up to this app and follow the steps from this video to make money basically on autopilot. Before we start, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. And this website is called OfferVault.com, which is another CPA marketplace. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, which means you can grab a referral link. For some of these offers, you can refer other people through your link. You can share your link, and whenever someone uses your link to sign up to some offer for absolutely free by just entering their email address, you will get paid a certain amount of money. As you can see here, some are going to pay you with these amounts, depending on what they need to complete. But in most cases, they just need to become a qualified lead by answering their first name, last name, and their email address, and for that, you're being paid. They don't have to buy anything or spend any money. It's all free for them, and they can benefit from that. Plus, you're making money just for them signing up in less than 60 seconds or so. But there are certain offers in certain categories that you will need to focus on that will work best with the app which I'm about to show you, so you will not have to share this on any social media platforms. You don't need any social media account for this. You don't need any audience. You don't need a YouTube channel, and you don't need any Instagram followers. You don't need any of that because the app is going to get you those referrals on complete autopilot, and you will see exactly how that's gonna work. Once you come over to OfferVault.com, I come over to the search bar because that's going to help you to find the best offers where people can sign up for free. Signing up for free takes them less than 60 seconds, and you're being paid pretty well. So to find those offers, all you have to do is search for the keyword gift card. Once you search for a gift card, that's going to give you all of these different offers to which you can refer other people. When they sign up to those offers, you're going to get paid a certain amount of money, and they have a chance to win a gift card. As you can see, in this case, they can have this gift card, and when they sign up for that offer, you will get paid with this amount of money. And if you get 10 people to sign up, that's a lot of money you're getting. It's a lot easier to make them sign up for free through some offer, where they can earn something like a $500 or $1,000 gift card than to try and sell them something. So it's a lot easier to make them sign up for something for free, especially when they can benefit from it. Most of those people will probably not win the giveaway, but they will want to give it a try because it's less than 60 seconds for them to have a chance to win something. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. You can refer people to a giveaway where they can get different kinds of gift cards as you can see here. And you can go through all of these different offers and try with all these different offers to see what's going to work best for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will be focusing on this offer right here because it's proven to get easier results. As you can see underneath the offer is gonna say email submit. That means the people who will sign up through this offer just needs to answer their email address. It's free for them, and they can have a chance to win this prize. And you're being paid with this amount per person that you refer this out for. Now, of course, you don't have to focus on this one particular offer. You can grab whatever offer you want to. You might be able to find an even better offer that pays more, but I'm just going to use this one as an example. So once you find an offer, just click on it, and that's going to take you over to this page where you can get more information about how this offer works. You're being paid with this amount, and people don't need to buy anything. They just need to take action to become a qualified lead by answering their email address. So let me show you how that's going to look like. You can preview the offer right here. So we are sending people to this website where they will be able to send this one over here, and they just need to enter their email address and hit continue. That's all you need to do. It's less than 10 seconds, and they have a chance to earn this amount of gift card if they have been chosen. If they don't, it doesn't matter. You're still being paid for each person that you refer. So I just wanted to select some of those offers from OfferVault.com, a CPA marketplace with thousands of different offers Just find the offer that you think would be suitable for you, that you think is easy to promote. To grab your CPA link, all you have to do is select an offer or come over to this page. Read more about it if you want to. View the offer and just click Run Offer right here. That's going to take you over to their marketplaces. It's always going to be very different. It's going to take you to a separate platform where you only need to sign up. That sign-up process will take a couple of minutes because it's a little bit more complicated. They will ask you for your first name, last name. It depends on the platform, but they will ask you for some basic information like where you live, what's your address, what do you do for a living, and so on. So nothing too complicated, but it will take a couple of minutes to sign up and grab the referral link. But once you grab the referral link, you will be able to share it with other people so they can sign up for those offers for free, and they have a chance to win gift cards, and you will get paid for each person that signs up. Now, if you're wondering if this works and if you can make some money with the strategy, well, here's one of the websites that I've signed up for on OfferVault.com. I found this website I signed up for. I used today's strategy, and now I'm making a decent amount of money. It's not any life-changing income, but $100 a day because it takes me less than 40 seconds to set it all up with an app, which I'm about to show you in this video. It's still not bad, and once again, it's not any life-changing income, but I'm still pretty satisfied with the results. Now, the app I use to automate the entire process is ProfitMate.net, and the one I use to promote my CPA links to make money on complete autopilot is this one right here. This app creates an unlimited email subscriber list for you, and it allows you to market photos, email subscribers, like 24 hours a day, and you can promote whatever you want. You can maybe promote some affiliate offers, or maybe even your offers. I mean, for this instance, I've used it to promote those CPA links from OfferVault.com, and it worked pretty well for me. I haven't even tried any affiliate offers because it's a brand new app, but for CPA offers, it works well. And it's a lot easier to make someone sign up for absolutely free, where they have a chance to win a gift card. So it's a lot easier to make them sign up through those offers than to make them buy something or sign up for some paid offer. They don't need to spend any money. They just need to become a qualified lead, which is great. Now, you don't have to create a massive social media following, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads. You can just log into this app, set it up in a couple of minutes, and leave it to get you some traffic. As you can see, you can get unlimited emails utilizing 40 seconds. It takes less than 40 seconds. And yes, it's 100% legal, so it's really simple. They will provide everything for you to make sure you get some results. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.